Hey everyone, it's Angela, and today we're making some delicious lemon cheesecake crescent cups using crescent roll dough. You'll need a roll of the canned crescent roll dough, some of the Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake filling, and the canned lemon cream pie filling, or you can make homemade lemon curd. Okay, first thing, you're going to pop open your crescent roll dough and unroll it, making sure not to let it actually pull apart. Use a rolling pin to kind of roll it across and seal the dough, and then use a pizza roller, a pizza cutter here, to cut your 24 pieces. Okay, make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees while you take each of your 24 pieces and fill the muffin tin. Push each of the dough squares into each of your greased divots here, and I just use my fingers and press it in so that each of the flaps is kind of settled across onto the muffin tin. Okay, you'll pop those into the oven and bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes until golden, and then when they come out, take a spoon when they're still hot and make the divot in the center where we're going to fill the lemon cheesecake filling. Make that a little bit bigger, just kind of push it around so that you have a spot where the filling will sit. Set that aside and let it cool while you mix the filling. About half of your tub of the cheesecake filling and half of your can. So it's about 12 ounces of the cheesecake and about 8 ounces of the lemon cream filling. Mix that up and set it aside until the crescent cups are totally chilled. You can pop this back in the fridge while you're waiting. Okay, once your crescent cups are totally cooled, I just leave them in the muffin tin so that they while they cool, they are set, their shape doesn't change. Okay, and then take it's about a half a tablespoon scoop, as you see here, and fill each of your little crescent cups. And once you have all of the little crescent cups filled with your filling, you can add berries, any fruit you like. You can dust it with some like powdered sugar if you want, but I love the fresh fruit. It's going to be the perfect contrast to your lemon cheesecake filling here. And now you have the perfect dessert to take to your next party, whip up last minute, or just because you have a sweet tooth. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you again next time.